Well, hello again. Here is quiz 103B. I'm just kidding. Which number can be placed instead of the question mark to correctly make the proportional table? We did this in class, I believe, and we checked it, and you guys explained it beautifully. You noticed they were skip counting, exactly, and you're creating equivalent ratios when you skip count the same way. As long as the proportion stays the same, it's equivalent. So the top is 3, 6, 9. The next is 7, 14, 21. If you have a question, please send me an email, but that's the correct solution there. That's how they got it. If you look, the top is doubling 3, or it's going up by 3s. So I won't say doubling. The multiples, skip counting is like multiples. Okay, here we go. Let's go back to another one. Which number can be placed instead of the question mark? All right, here we go. 9, 18, blank. 5, 10, 15. So if you watch, again, they're skip counting, so we're going to go up again by another 9. 9 plus 18. Or if you want to think about it, 9, this is 9 times 1. This is 9. This is just something to think about. Multiples, 9 times 2. So what is 9 times 3? Anybody? Tasha, you too. What's 9 times 3?
What?
Anybody? What's 9 times 3? You too. You can answer.
27.
Yeah, good job.
Sorry.
27. All right. That's the correct answer. Again, these aren't particularly in order. They might be in order, but I didn't put them in order on purpose. Which number can be placed instead of the question mark to correctly make this table? 11, blank, 33, 3, 6, 9. Noticing they're skip counting just like a double number line. That is going to be, or you can also think of this. This is times 1. This is times 2. So 11 times 2. What is 11 times 2? What is 11 times 2?
Huh? 22?
22. Very good. All right, here we go. Skip counting is multiplication, by the way. 3 times 6 is 6, 12, 18. See how we skip counted, but it's 3 times 6. So that's why I'm highlighting the multiples, because we're going to use that as we go on. Which number can be placed instead of the question mark? So you guys didn't like tape diagrams. You didn't, and that's okay. This is where multiples come in. If the ratio is 3 cheese for every 1 pepperoni, you could make another tape diagram until you had 12 cheese pizzas, which is what they're telling you, and then just keep the proportions the same, right? So if we were to make this tape diagram 12, we would do 3, we're going to skip count, 6, 9, 12. So we would need 4 more of them. So then we just do it to the other tape diagram, and we would do 1, 2, 3, 4. So the correct proportional relationship is 12 to 4. And it's just like multiples. This was just another way to think about it. If you don't like thinking about it like this, make a double number line. 3 cheese pizzas for every 1 pepperoni, 6 cheese pizzas for every 2 pepperonis, and so on. So whatever works in your mind, but just different ways to solve the problem, because you may have loved this visual representation. Thank you. Let's see. Last one. All right, we did this one in class together. Which number can be placed instead of the question mark to correctly complete the diagram? Based on the ratio given, how many flies did the frog eat? So the ratio that the frog eats is 3 flies for every 7 mosquitoes. If the frog ate 35 mosquitoes, and I think we talked about this in class, I think students noticed that that was 5 times of this green tape, because 5 times 7, right? 5 times 7 equals 35. So then they did 5 times 3, because that's, if you did that, if you use the tape to represent the actual amount, you would be skip counting or multiplying. So 5 times 3, what is 5 times 3?
5 times 3 is 16.
All right, guys, thanks for your hard thinking. Email with any questions. Feel free to correct your quiz if you'd like. Bye, guys.